Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we want to find the value of x given that you have x to the power of 8 equals 7 to the power of x minus 1. So now let's have it to the solution. So guys, from here we have x to the power of 8 equals 7 to the power of x minus 1. Now from here we can apply x to the power of 8. From here we can apply law of indices. We have this one to be 7 to the power of x divided by 7. Now this divided by 1, when you cross multiply, we have 7 then multiply by x to the power of 8 equals 7 to the power of x. And from here we want to eliminate x, we want to eliminate this power 8. So therefore we need to take the 8th root of both sides. By taking the 8th root of both sides, so we are going to have this as 8th root of 7 then multiply by x to the power of 8 equals 8th root of 7 to the power of x. So from here we can separate this as 8th root of 7 then multiply by 8th roots of x to the power of 8 equals 8th roots of 7 to the power of x. Now obviously this, we cancel this, so we're going to have x then multiply by 8th root of 7 equals, now from here to, then we're going to have from here to be 8th root of 7 to the power of x. Now guys, we can have this back as in x multiplied by 7 to the power of 1 divided by 8 equals, we can also have this one back as 7 to the power of x divided by 8. Now let us rearrange. When we arrange this one, we have this to come here. We have 7 to the power of x divided by 8 equals x multiplied by 7 to the power of 1 divided by 8. Now let us now recall from exponential, when you have e to the power of ln of a, this always gives us back our a. And the reason behind this is that the e, exponent, and natural log normally cancel each other. And so therefore, we want to apply it here. So when we have e to the power of ln of 7 to the power of x divided by 8, it is believed that this will give us back the whole of everything here, 7 to the power of x divided by 8. So now, instead of this one here, we can replace it with this, and we're going to have e to the power of ln 7 to the power e to the power of ln 7 to the power of x divided by 8 equals what we have here, x multiplied by 7 to the power of 1 divided by 8. So now guys, this, the whole of expression we have here, we can re-express it as x divided by e to the power of ln 7 to the power of x divided by 8 to be equals 1 divided by 7 divided by 7 to the power of 1 divided by 8. Now from here, this expression we have here equivalent to this. And when you cross multiply, you get this back. When you multiply one by this, you get this one back. So therefore guys, we can have this back here as x multiplied by e to the power of minus ln of 7 to the power of x divided by 8 according to law of indices, and this equals when you have 7 to the power of minus 1 divided by 8. Because according to law of indices, when you have 8 to the power of minus m, this always gives us back as 1 divided by 8 to the power of m. And so by applying this one here as this, so we are going to have this. Now, from here, let us do something reasonable. We have this can come here. We have x, then multiply by e to the power of, when this x divided by 8 come here, we have it to be minus x divided by 8, then ln 7 equals 7 to the power of minus 1 divided by 8. So this is what we have. Now, from here, let us also apply the exponent that says when you have e to the power of ln of a, this will give us back our a. And by applying it to this as well, that is, when we have e to the power of ln of 7 to the power of minus 1 divided by 8, we are going to get back our 7 to the power of minus 1 divided by 8. So this implies that we are going to have this as x multiplied by e to the power of minus x divided by 8 ln 7 equals, from here we have it to be e. By having this one here, we can replace it at this to the power of minus e to the power of ln of 7 to the power of minus 1 divided by 8. And so we have x, then multiply by e to the power of minus x divided by 8 ln 7 equals, this one will also come here as e to the power of minus 1 divided by 8 ln 7. Now, by considering the left hand side, we have our base to be minus x, we have our power here to be minus x divided by 8 ln 7. And we want to make sure that we have this base, this power to be equal to this base. So by to do so, we can say, okay, first let us multiply through by 1 over 8 by minus 1 over 8. When you multiply through, by 1 minus 1 divided by 8 multiplied by this, we are going to have minus x divided by 8. The whole of this multiplied by this, we have it to this. Then e to the power of minus x divided by 8 ln 7 equals, this one also we have it to be minus 1 divided by 8 e to the power of minus 1 divided by 8 ln 7. Now, we are getting there. We have minus x divided by 8. Minus x divided by 8 ln 7 is only this natural log that we didn't have here, and this natural log that we didn't have here. So we can say, then multiply through again by, when we multiply through again by natural log 7, so we are going to get this as minus x divided by 8 ln 7, then multiply by e to the power of minus 8 divided by minus x divided by 8 ln 7 equals, when you multiply this again by this one here, we have minus 1 divided by 8 ln 7, then multiply by e to the power of minus 1 divided by 8 ln 7. So from here, we have the base here to be equal to the power. We have the base here to be equal to the power. So the main objective of doing all this is that we want to apply W Lambert function. And W Lambert function says when you have W into A, W of A multiplied by E to the power of A, this will give us A. And what are we trying to say here is that So far the base and the power are the same, so we are going to have our output to be either of the one. And that is why we are trying to make sure that we have the base here to be equal to this power, the base here to equal to this power. And since we've got that one, so we can apply this W Lambert function. That means we have W of minus x divided by 8 ln 7, then multiplied by e to the power of minus x divided by 8 ln 7, then equals, we will apply it to both sides, then W of the whole of this minus 1 divided by 8 ln 7, then e to the power of minus 1 divided by 8 ln 7. So by applying the W Lambert function to this and this, they are the same. You can take either of the one. So we are going to have minus x divided by 8 ln 7 equals, we take either of this one. So far the base and the power are the same. We have minus 1 divided by 8 ln 7. Obviously, from here, this will cancel this. We have minus x ln 7 equals minus ln 7. When you divide through by ln 7, this will cancel this will also cancel this. We have minus x to be equals minus 1. And so therefore, when you multiply through by minus, we have your x to be equals 1. And that is the final answer for the value of x. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more mathematics tutorial videos. Bye bye.